I have no idea if this is going to work or not. I have you set up on a tripod on the cardboard, looking up at that. I got to put in, I'm going to see what it looks like when I put it through the gears. Okay, right now, okay, that's park, so that should start in park. Reverse should be a no start. Neutral should be depressed. And of course, you have the gears. I don't know if that works. Should be a no. Well, that's kind of dumb. That's how it's supposed to work. So it would start. No, it wouldn't start. No. Pushing it in lets it start. So I'm in like second gear right now. Okay, that's roll. Second, drive, neutral. Well, it should be pushed in. And it is. So that's back in park. So that should be pushed down. And it is. Okay, so that's how that works. That's how that works. And it looks like it's going to work pretty good. Obviously, I got to wire it up. But that looks like it'll work. I'll tighten everything up. This is a follow-up video. Basically, what I did was I just simply took this back off, took the switch out of it, I laid it in the vise, clamped a crescent wrench on it, nice and tight, and just gave it a little, and it didn't take much at all. But you can see, maybe you can see, it's got pretty good contact up there. Not even a big deal. So, this is going to be dark, apparently. God, these videos suck. Alright, so, it'll be part 2 of low car neutral safety switch in combination with a aftermarket. It's very similar to a low car universal shifter, column shifter linkage. This is what you got to do to make it work. It wasn't hard. Hardest part was making the decision on what end to modify, and this was obviously the easiest way to go. Just shorten the bolt. So now, I mean, there's no way that's going to come apart ever as far as this coming off. I mean, because it just can't. I mean, that bolt will have to fall out first, and then that Allen bolt will have to be loosened up. And yeah, I mean, that's good. I like it. And there's lots of adjustment on everything, so it's pretty cool. So that's my that's it. My very rookie version of neutral safety switch. So, alright, I might just scrap this whole video and start over. So we'll see. Alright, thanks guys.